Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Dollar Tree and fall is here, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So full disclaimer, this is a Dollar Tree Plus. I'm going to show you guys all the Dollar Tree items and all of the Plus items. They have scarecrows. They are very cute. Some have sticks, some are freestanding. They're all $5. Lots of things you would see in stores like Dollar General, like these little owls for $3. They also come in the scarecrows. They're just little shelf sitters with these little beaded feet and legs. I think these are really cute. And this now did not have a price on it, but it is a boxed crate style pumpkin. I'm guessing it's probably $5. That is the most anything will run at a Dollar Tree Plus. They have a few hanging pieces for $3, like the owl, the scarecrow, signs. Okay, so these are Dollar Tree Plus signs. The grateful with the tin leaves, those are $3. Some larger felt items for $5 in the scarecrow. And you guys, this Dollar Tree has everything I've ever thought of or wanted for fall. Now, because it's a plus, they do have these gorgeous $5 pumpkins in the velvet, gorgeous colors on those. Down here, they have some wooden boxes that you can DIY in a few different versions for fall. These are also, I believe, $5. And this is something I would think I'd find at Hobby Lobby. Very cute standing pumpkin sign with the corrugated tin around the edge. Those are $5. It'd come in the two versions. For $5, they also have mums and lanterns. Literally anything you could want for fall, and it's all $5 or less. They have some really cute milk jugs. Now, I think these should be $3. They were tagged at $5 and come in a few different versions. They have some larger foam pumpkins like you might find at places like Walmart, and some mini signs. So now this is all Dollar Tree items. This is the regular part of the Dollar Tree. These are really cute mini signs. I want to show you guys the edging on each. I think there was a lot of detail put into their items this year, and some of the best signs I think I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. They have some large vertical signs. This welcome sign I could definitely see at Hobby Lobby. It's a good size. It also comes in two versions up here on the wall in fall, and the one on the left looks like something I just showed you guys at Michael's. And for those of you who still love the red truck, there are a few items, not a ton, but I did notice they added a lot of red into their color schemes this year, and these signs that are so cute. So those are actually made of tin. It was blown away by the wagon and the truck. They also have these two signs in the horizontal. I'm sure the crafters in the community will be picking these up because you could always flip them over, and they are such a good size. Now, I think I've seen something just like these pumpkins at Hobby Lobby. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe they have signs just like this with the metal text on them. Much better buy at the Dollar Tree. And this is such a cute sign. But I love this one in the family, and I think the hot apple cider sign is going to fly off the shelves. Also, for you red truck lovers, there are a couple more things with the red truck coming up here. I wanted to show you guys all of the signs over here. This one in Live Simply and Be Grateful is definitely new. It has that Target look, I think. Over here, they have the back end of a truck in a few different color options, and then some white hanging pumpkins over here as well, and a few jar signs. So this one is new this year. I thought that one was so beautiful. They also have the one with the truck that they brought out in the last few years. And something I'm happy about is I'm seeing a lot less glitter on their signs. Thank you, Dollar Tree. Now the green truck is adorable, but I love this vertical home sign. I just think that that looks like it would cost so much more than $1. Of course, they've got this one in the pumpkins and the vertical home sweet home with the black and white check. They also have a few different versions of this sign this year. I really like this one with the blue and orange. It also comes in this one with the darker tones and some standing signs. This is something we would see at Walmart for maybe $3 to $5. just $1 here at the Dollar Tree. I found it in 3 versions. So boxed signs, it comes in the buffalo check, this one with the planked wood, and this one that is just very simple. Welcome to our home. I think those are a great buy. Now, I want to show you guys a few more signs and then we're going to get into the decor, but I just had to complete the sign tour because this year they have put out more signs than ever before. There was a lady here buying an entire hook of one particular sign. Any guesses which one it was? She walked in, she scooped them all up off of the hook and took them to the register. I'm guessing she's probably a crafter or something like that, but I was not surprised by her choice. And I was tempted to do it with this. I looked down in the middle of the fall decor and they have bottle brush Halloween trees. Now, yes, they have glitter on them, but most bottle brush trees do. Keep an eye out for these. These were in my fall section. They're definitely Halloween, and there are some amazing new signs for Halloween. I'm showing you towards the end of the video. But now back to some decor, some pumpkin signs. Those look a lot like the ones I've showed you guys at Walmart. And these, I just think they are really timeless. I love a good monogram. Of course, they have all of their standing signs. I thought this one was really pretty. I just thought it was just enough, and then lots of owls. I just did a haul and I'm really into owls this year for fall. They have the standing pumpkins that they brought out in the last few years. Some fun craft items I'm going to show you here in a second. Just a few more of their standing signs over here and garden stakes. I did do some DIYs on these little corn garden stakes last year. I'll be sharing with you again soon. And some more signs for the garden over here and anything you might have an interest in. Now we're going to take a quick look at the floral. There's a few things I want to show you guys. Now these baskets, I think they could be used any time of year for gift baskets. You may want to keep an eye open for those. And we were just at Michael's and I was showing you guys floral just like this for a whole lot more money. Keep an eye open for these eucalyptus branches. I've seen them at places like JOANN's as well. And I am finding some Halloween floral at the Dollar Tree. So if you are a crafter, you may want to head in and check that out as well. Now this one is not the eucalyptus, but it is that heavy plastic that looks a little bit more pricey than the Dollar Tree. I also think they have some beautiful maple leaves and they did a ton of neutral creams. Of course, our little stemmed pumpkins are back and you can find the same one at Michael's. And always check your rounders. I did find some wheat on these. Now, true story, I have to give an honorable mention because I was in here yesterday and they had a ton of the buffalo plaid pumpkins. I came back today, gone, just a few left. So grab them when you find them. They also have the ceramic pumpkins and something I think is adorable and I'm regretting I did not pick one up. This really cute little fox. This is something you would see at Hobby Lobby. It looks like it's carved from wood. Of course, they've got all of their ceramic pumpkins out and even some larger styrofoam ones in different colors than we've seen in the past. And the corn. Now I'm going to show you a few things from the craft aisle. These tins with monograms on them, great buy for $1. They're also giving Hobby Lobby a run for their money in these velvet stemmed pumpkins. And they even have them in the little bags where you could do a vase filler in the velvet. They come in 2 different colors. And they're doing the little bundles of fabric just like we've seen at Walmart for fall. Now I'm going to show you guys a few of the crafty items, lots of wooden items for DIYs. I love the acorn. And these signs you can find at places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and they're going to cost a whole lot more. Now, of course, they have all their maple leaves, some in glitter, some in not, some miniature scarecrows, and the pressboard style signs that you could decoupage. The text in tin is back for all the crafters, and they also have these really cute little easels. I think these would be great place settings for a Thanksgiving dinner for a children's table. And some 3D wood. So I love this pumpkin. I saw it last year. They also have an owl and they're stepping up their decor and their crafting items. Love these mini pies. Now we know they always do the bows, but they did bring out a few more prints this year. And these are definitely new, the miniature sunflowers and the miniature hay bales. These are adorable. I also found a few plaster items like this scarecrow head for crafting. and some of their lights. But now let's switch into Halloween. My store is putting out a ton of Halloween all of a sudden, and there are some great new signs. So these are the larger vertical style. We've seen them in different versions. Love these this year. They also have some small tabletop decor, and up here the stacked pumpkin. This one is larger than the one we've seen in the years past with the little hat on. They have a few text style signs, but what I am really loving is that they are bringing out some things with that vintage look and feel. So all the signs here on the right with the ghost, the cat, and the jack-o'-lantern have that vintage look. And I have to head back soon because they were just stocking when I was in. And look what I found. They have some garden stakes with a very vintage looking jack-o'-lantern on it. So cute, right up my alley. They also have a plus section for some Halloween items. So far, just finding a few lights and projector items and some inflatables. Now they are $5. They are a lot like the ones you would find at Five Below. So they're not going to be as big and they're battery operated. Now let's head back over to the regular Dollar Tree section where I am finding black Halloween trees and all of the ornaments that you would want to put on a mini tree in a few different color schemes. And they brought back the full-size ornaments for those that do seasonal trees. They have the noise-making machines I try not to push when I'm in, and some fabric. Again, I think this is the Dollar Tree stepping up their crafting section. You know I love me some candy corn. They also have the mini projectors. Those are just $1. The LED lights in a few different Halloween style, also just $1. And last but not least, we're going to head over to the crafting section for Halloween so you can see all of the new items hitting the shelves. I did want to ask you guys, is the Dollar Tree someplace you hit for all your seasonal decor? I always love to head in and see what they have. And I might start doing some more DIYs here in the near future, so I may be picking up some items for that. Now in our new home, I don't know if we're going to have trick-or-treaters, so I'm not sure if Halloween is going to be as big of a deal as it was in our last neighborhood. I would love to know, do you decorate for Halloween? Comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip into the Dollar Tree, looking at all the treasures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.